welcome back to the Geordie Pig Investor channel, where we delve into the world of dividend investing to help you build a portfolio that pays you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to maximize your passive income, this channel is your go-to resource for strategies, insights, and the tools you need to grow your wealth steadily over time. Hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore how to make your money work for you, one dividend at a time. In today's video, I'll be showing you a new fun challenge I am doing on my channel to highlight how you don't need to have a lot of money to start investing, and to really show you that even adding a little bit every day, week or month will start to add up and can have a massive impact on your future. If you are new to investing, then please check out my links in the description, as if you join Trading 212 and use my link, you'll receive a free share worth up to £50, and I've also got a link to Monzo Banking where you can receive a prize of either £10, £20 or £50 for simply joining the banking app and spending £1 on the card. So if you're not already a Monzo customer, it takes less than 5 minutes to set it up, and you'd be crazy not to join for some free money. So the exciting challenge I'm entering is investing £1 a day every single day into the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US. It is widely considered one of the best indicators of the overall health of the US stock market and economy. The index includes 500 large cap companies across various sectors such as technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. Some of the biggest companies in the index include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla. The index is weighted by market capitalization, meaning larger companies have a bigger influence on its movement. It is managed by the S&P Dow Jones Indices. A committee selects and reviews the companies in the index based on market size, liquidity, and other factors. Many investors and fund managers compare their portfolios against the S&P 500's performance to see if they are ahead or behind the market. The best bit of advice I could give to a new investor, or any investor for that matter, is to not try to always beat the market and have it as part of your portfolio. Over the long term, the S&P 500 has averaged about an 8 to 10% annual return, which is way better than if you were to leave that money sitting in a bank to gain interest or investing it into bonds. Don't get me wrong, if you are needing income now and have a short time within the market, then there are probably better options. But if you're a long-term investor like myself, then it is a no-brainer to me. That's why in today's video, I'll be showing you all a new challenge I started 30 days ago, where I started to invest that £1 consistently every single day into the S&P 500 ETF, and I'll continue to show you these results. There are lots of different S&P 500 ETFs on the market to choose from, so it's important you pick the right one for you. Personally, I want one that's got a lower expense ratio, but also well backed and has a good fund market cap, so I have confidence in the fund. So for this challenge, I decided to go with the Invesco S&P 500 Accumulating Fund, stock ticker SPXP. This ETF is an accumulating fund, which means it will automatically reinvest the dividends I receive, so it's a totally hands-off approach. The main reason I've chosen this one is because of the extremely low expense ratio, only 0.05%, and it also has a very big fund size at over 21,000 million. So what I've done is create a pie specifically for this one ETF, and that way it means that I can set it to automatically invest £1 every single day. This will even invest the £1 on weekends and days where the market is closed by putting the money into the pie, ready to buy as soon as the market then reopens. I really like this way of investing, especially for the majority of people, as it means you don't have to think about it and can just let it work away in the background. Before you know it, you'll be a millionaire. But seriously though, even investing as little as £1 a day can make a huge difference over the long term, especially if you haven't started investing yourself. One feature I really like on Trading 212 is that it shows you how much your portfolio is predicted to be worth in X amount of years. So if I show you on this pie here, if I scroll down, I can click onto Auto Reinvest, and I can set an end date of this investment plan. Right now it's set the 1st of January 2026, which would mean over that 10-month period, if I keep contributing my £1 a day every single day, the total portfolio will be worth around £361. If I go into here and change this though, I can change the end date to say 30 years time. So if we go all the way up to 2055 to show you what it would be like in 30 years time, click on January from when I started it and press confirm. Then this will now load this in here, and as you can see on the screen, over the next 30 years, you can see the pie worth over £300,000. This is with just under £11,000 contributed over this time period, really highlighting how much compound interest will do for you. Obviously, this is just a prediction and past performance is no guarantee of future result, but it's still a great indication for you and something to keep you motivated to invest into the stock market. As you can see from my graph over the last 30 days, I've actually had a negative 3.37% return overall, which just shows that the ETFs can also go down. You have to think about the long term and not be so worried about the short term fluctuations. I just see this as a way to buy more of the ETF at a cheaper price. So remember, it's not about how it's performed over the short term, but more so about building that habit of consistently investing and paying yourself first. Trust me when I say this, your future self will thank you. The plan is to continue this challenge every single day and have check-in points to show you all that you can make great returns even with little money invested in the market and really start seeing the portfolio build up. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of this challenge. Let me know if you own the S&P 500 index or if you're new to investing and going to take your first steps towards your investing journey starting. Until next time, keep compounding and stay patient in the market because like I said before, your future self will thank you. If you're building a portfolio of passive income and financial freedom, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. For now, this is the Geordie Pig Investor, over and out.